Phoebe, don't lick my banana. Whatever step we're on, remove cat from banana area. Welcome to Drunk Kitchen. I'm your host, Sammy. I'm drunk and not wearing a bra. Hi, Phoebe. Phoebe is my co-chef. What's a co-chef called? A sous chef? Are you my sous chef? Is that what it's called? Okay, so my favorite thing to make is ice cream. Ice cream, you ask? How do you do that? I make it with fruit. Oh, hi, are you joining? Oh, good. Oh, good. Good. It's good. It's good. It's good, Phoebe. I'm just gonna move that real quick. I found this recipe to make ice cream. I found this recipe to make ice cream out of bananas, and it is so good. So the original recipe for the ice cream calls for 2 bananas, and I think I might have only had 1, or I was just low on bananas, and I was like, hold up. What if I replace one of the bananas with cherries? So it won't only be chocolate ice cream, it will be chocolate cherry ice cream. Let me tell you, it's good. So it's not as thick as it is with just the 2 bananas, but the cherry adds such good flavor, and I love anything cherry and chocolate. It's so good, and I'm gonna show you. It feels like I am eating a pint of like Talenti or Halo Top or Ben and his friend Jerry, but it's not. It's fruit. So I'm gonna make it right now cause I'm freaking hungry. So I keep all my bananas in the fridge. I have a lot in here because of the, you know, the quarantine happening.
Coronavirus!
I'm struggling. Oh my God. Okay, so this needs to thaw for like a second. Get my cotton board. I didn't stock up on toilet paper or like, toilet paper is the only thing people are stocking up on. I didn't stock up on any item other than bananas. That's the only thing I stocked up on, and there's a ton of bananas around, so I don't feel bad about that. So the only decent blender I have right now is an immersion blender. A funny story of how I got this was at my work Christmas party dice game. My boss had mentioned, hey, you might like what I brought as a gift. So I took a chance and grabbed it when I rolled my doubles. And when we unwrapped it, I had an actual heart attack. I was so happy, and I planned on keeping that for myself. And then people started stealing it away from me. And they watched me cry, and they watched me whine, and at the end, it wasn't mine. That sounds like a good poem. Anyway, but then they were just teasing me, so they gave it back to me, and that's how I got this blender, by whining. You can get somewhere with whining, okay? This is my last bag of cherries. I do have a mixed bag of fruit that has cherries in it, mostly cherries at least, but I don't plan and I don't want to go to the grocery store anytime soon. I know that they're still open and they're essential if you need it, but I'm like,
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
No. I still have a lot of other fruit. I love making this and I eat this almost every day. So these go fast. So I just add like some cherries. Like, I don't know, like that much, because that's usually like, I think in my head what is like, how much does one banana look in there? So I like do that. Don't put these away yet. Don't put them away if you're following the tutorial. Is this a tutorial? Do they call what do they call cooking videos? That's not, tutorial is like beauty and crafts. What's cooking? I don't know. So when these are in here, I also, what I use to make this chocolatey are these. This is not hashtag spawn. This is not a brand deal. I wish it was. I would love that, but I use the Your Superfoods. I eat mostly smoothies. I even put this stuff in my coffee, or I just have teas or like little lattes. And these are the two chocolate ones. So this is the magic mushroom, and then I do chocolate lover. But if you do this without having these, I think just like a packet of hot chocolate would work, like for real. Like I haven't tried that, but it's literally the same. Like it's like the same, except I mean this is like made out of like cacao, chaga, ashwanga, riji, lucuma, cinnamon. So it's like different, but it's the same. So now it looks like this. Cherries with a bunch of stuff on it. Let's get your milk. I use almond milk because it's the best and regular milk is disgusting. I don't know if I ever told this story on my channel, but when I was a child, unbeknownst to my godmother, she forced me to drink milk. Phoebe? No. Unbeknownst to my godmother, she forced me to drink curdled milk. It was not good, and apparently it scarred me for life. I do not remember this in my own memories, but I've never liked milk for as long as I have. No, Phoebe, don't lick my banana. No, no. Whatever step we're on, remove cat from banana area. Yeah, I have never liked milk, and until I heard that story, I didn't know why. Now I know. So I just put a little almond milk in there. But what helps the thickness too is peanut butter, and I got the world's largest jar of peanut butter so I could be quarantined for 2 weeks. Phoebe. It's a tablespoon, it's a tablespoon of peanut butter. Yes, Phoebe, we love to sing. I only have a clean half tablespoon, so I guess I'm just gonna do that twice, which is harder. I hate getting it out. I was wanting to try that whipped coffee that everybody's trying, but I don't have instant coffee and I don't have sugar. I have normal coffee and I have not sugar, so I don't know how well that would be. So now I have everything else that I need in my cup. So now I need to cut the banana. I'm a banana, I'm a banana, I'm a banana. Whatever he says. I'm a banana, I'm a banana. Oh, I'm gonna wash my hands. I think I already did, but I'm paranoid. Let's cut this banana. Oh, and I think it has to be frozen banana, because otherwise it won't be like ice cream. It'll be like warm smoothie. If you try this at home, I just want to warn you, it's not as thick as the original like 2 banana recipe, and it's not as thick as ice cream, but the added cherry to me is just too good. It's too good. It's a game changer for me. I guess I could, you know, do the original recipe with the 2 bananas and then just add some cherries to make it cherry, but I don't know. It'll just, you know, I was just going through so many bananas, so I just kind of used it as a replacement and just sacrificed some thickness. I don't cook. I'm not a cooker person. So if the way I'm cutting this is not correct or right or whatever, I'm sorry. I don't know. This is the only thing that I cook. Okay, so now it looked like this. And I'll probably add a little bit more this. Okay, an immersion blender isn't always the best. It's kind of okay for this if the bananas have like thawed a little bit. But otherwise you're just like, it's a rough time, but okay. But yeah, this is just the best thing I have right now because my other blender is just like not good right now. Okay. You also don't want to dislocate your immersion blender when you're using it. Okay, we done. Let's grab a bowl. Misha manu pala pishpo babe. Dijeno baby opala shnamama yo. Pinon meshnimbo mami. Man, that makes me want to watch Ratatouille. I just got Disney Plus and it is the best decision I have ever made in my life. Let me tell you that. And Don't Look Under the Bed is on it. And I thought Disney got rid of like, I didn't think it was just taken off the air. I thought they got rid of everything of Don't Look Under the Bed from the archives. Like it didn't even exist, but no, it's on Disney Plus in case you're wondering. Okay, so now you have this, it's blended. And now you're gonna put it in a cup. Ooh, she's thick. See, this one came out a little bit thicker. I tried to put in not too much almond milk just so it can be more like the consistency of ice cream. She thick, boy. He thick, boy. That's a thick boy. So it just looks like ice cream, like melted ice cream. So it's basically like kind of like a smoothie bowl. And let me tell you, I did not understand the concept of the smoothie bowl until I started eating them. It's just funner. Ooh. It's just funner to eat it like that because basically you just get to put stuff on top. And then we kept these out because I'm going to put some on top. Oh, a bunch of cherry juice came out, but you know what? It's gonna make it all better. Okay, yeah, it was a lot of cherry juice spillage, but that's it. This legit, I mean, it's like ice cream, but not. Like I just try it for yourself and you will see. Baby, she wants my ice cream. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna keep drinking and watching the Tiger King, which is what we probably all are doing during the quarantine. Okay, say bye, Phoebe. Thank you for assisting in the kitchen tonight. Oh yeah. Oh, she's thinking about it. Oh no, kitties don't need bananas. Okay, see you later. Be safe and stay home. Okay, bye.